Today is Friday, 18 October 2019, the day after Kuan Yim Tan's Day, Singapore. Now I was looking for the lizards, Oriental Garden Lizards in the Esplanade, and I didn't expect to see them because they come at different times. According to the gardener, there are about 20 of them. Some are green, which I didn't see. It could be the green crested Oriental Garden Lizard, which is quite rare. It's been overtaken by this species, which is orangey in color. Male, this is a male, and it was up the tree. Most of them are actually on the ground level, on the lower part of the tree, and so it's pretty difficult to see them because they will scamper away whenever you go near, according to the gardener. These gardeners are watering the plants, as you can see. This is a forecourt garden of the Esplanade theaters on the bay, and as you can see, I only managed to video this one because he's been there for some time, high up on the tree, and quite secure and not worried about the gardeners probably hosing them, because the gardeners host the garden, and he's been there for at least half an hour, and so I'm able to video him. This is a typical, probably male Oriental Garden Lizard, quite common nowadays. I noticed in Lentor area as well, and the male has the orangey black throat. In fact, it's a treat to see this lizard. Now this is probably his vocalization, and I'm able to rest my elbow on a barrier so that I'm quite stable. You can see it's really a beautiful one, and it's high up on the tree, so it's quite secure. I can't get nearer because of the barriers around Esplanade, and you can see that it's changed its position. Now you can see this popping up and down of the head. I've noticed it in many of the Oriental Garden Lizards. What's the reason, I don't know, unless it's calling or threatening. So this is the Esplanade. Today is 18 October 2019. This is the third sighting of the Oriental Garden Lizard. This is the longest. Visible one. Just about half an hour ago, I saw one yellowish one, which just moved across the leaves on these shrubs here, and in a few seconds he was gone. But I did take some photos which I will put into this video to document the presence of Oriental Garden Lizards in the Esplanade's garden by the bay. And according to one of the gardeners, there are about 20 of them, not many, and they always disappear when they see the gardeners parting the tree. Apparently they are quite sensitive to human movements, and I don't blame them. They are probably worried about being eaten by humans, eaten by some predators. So the gardener did ask me whether I've seen a green one, but I haven't seen it. The green one is probably a green crested Oriental Garden Lizard that has been almost wiped out by this the orangey one, orange brown one, which is more aggressive or more flexible. Now we can see again. Is he still there? Is he still there? Yes, the tail, you can see the tail. Tail gives him away. Now he runs down. And it's interesting, as if he knows I'm videoing him. Further down, you can see the whole body. I think it's going down to the earth to hide from me. Sit down. This is where I saw them early on, down the pole, iron pole, and into the earth. So this is really a good opportunity to see them. And I should stop the video now because that is the end of the action of this Oriental Garden Lizard, October 18, 2019 Singapore. The Esplanade Garden on the Bay, Theatres on the Bay, Singapore.